So over here, you can see that I am in the editing area of WordPress right here, and I got this title right here, and I got some paragraphs around over here as well. So let's say what I want to do is I want to add in another block. So I'm going to go around onto the end, click on the plus button, and here you can see that I can actually go around and add in a title block as I want right here. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that the welcome title right here is shown around over here as well. You can also move this up, as you can see right here, just like this. And if I were to say welcome here, just like this, then you can see that as this is the title block, they are actually linked together. You can also choose around the heading level right here for heading 4, heading 6, and so forth, and to change that out right here. And you can change this out according to how you want and change around the order as well. So since this are the title block, they are linked together. As you can see, you can center align it, right align it. But if I were to go ahead and type in something, it simply goes around and then simply shows that out. But let's say you want a heading that you don't want to actually link out together. In that case, let me just go ahead and delete this. You can also go around and hover around on the center of the two blocks right here, and then simply go ahead and, let's say for example, add in a heading right here as well. So once you go around onto heading, you can simply go around and type in whatever you want, and then what happens is that you get the heading block instead of the title block that you can change around as well, of course. And then just like with the title block, you can change around the heading size as well as you want. You can also align it out right here, and even use AI assistant to correct out spelling, change the tone right here, or translate it out. Let me just go around and just go for passionate look right here, and then it says discover more passionately, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and then, let's say for example, bold it out, italicize out, and even go ahead and link it out right here and type in website URL or add in links to the text so that it links out to other websites or internal pages. You can also go around and add in, let's say for example, highlights to add in like an inline code right here as well. You can also add in keyboard like code right here, or even go ahead and add in, let's say for example, an inline image right here, just like this, and change around the width right here so that it actually goes ahead and becomes a part of this particular title as well. Let me just go ahead and erase this, and this is what you have, as you can see. And this is how you can go ahead and add in a heading block inside of WordPress editing area. So if you guys learned something, as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.